folks at Gerber Collision and Glass. If you want to get on board with the winning team, location, but they are a proud sponsor of the NHRA. It's great to see Mr. Kainer on the starting line once again. And if you'd like to go to work with folks at FlexJet, go to FlexJet.com. Here we go. We got Lee Hartman, and we got Ricky Horde coming in on his first win ever in Maximum Effort 6. That is a car name that goes back years ago with his dad. Parachute goes 786.8. That is quicker than his low ET of qualifying. And gets the bounty. Taking into the next round, Mark Powick and Stephen Bell. Stephen Bell on the right-hand side for the Chevy fans. Mark Powick for the Dodge fans. Dodge fans. What's going on? Stephen Bell is going to the final round. It'll be a Chevy versus a Chevy, a Camaro versus a Camaro. Lee Hartman and Stephen Bell will battle it out for the trophy. It would be awesome if you did. But just because you buy one doesn't mean you're going to be able to go out on the racetrack at the NHRA and the FlexJet Factory Stock Showdown and beat everybody who's been doing it for years. That's not what's happening. Going on over there with Jesse Alexandra, trying to fire that thing up. The Holly EFI. Factory Stock Showdown cars. Had racing chassis in them and racing transmissions, like a Liberty 5-speed. Everything else pretty much being equal, just 1,000 pounds lighter. Lead with a clutch. And all the bells and whistles of being able to tune the chassis. Came up a little bit short as Aaron Stanfield won his first race in Holly EFI Factory X. Aaron's trying to double here this weekend, still in it pro stock. It's 7:16.6 for Aaron Stanfield. Disregard the speed, as cool as it would be for a 260 mile per hour. Going to his 44th final, really? The kid's like 20-something years old. Amazing. Aaron Stanfield going to the final. Jesse Alexander left on him. Alexander. They're doing a great job. Tip of the cap. I was wearing one. Jesse Alexandra, David Deeney, and all those guys down there on that team. Who will run Aaron in the final? Is it going to be an all-Stanfield final round? Is Greg Stanfield in the Rod Shop machine? Who remembers the Rod Shop? Oh yeah, Butch Leal out there. Homage, tip of the cap, tribute to the president. Stanfield going to the final. 7:14.9 and 100 and 9.
Stock. Final round. Rolls up. Couple of copos. Roll. Keep the car in the middle of the group. Is today the day? Or will Stephen Bell? Taking the trophy out of the number 6 spot, 787. 173 miles an hour. National event win number 6. And the trophy's going back to Louisiana. turned into a let's do throwback cars to the early days of Pro Stock, because Pro Stock started with taking a car off the dealer's lot and then going home and turning it into a race car. These are a little bit more sophisticated than that, but it's the basic idea. Greg Stanfield in the left side. Father and son, final round. Got to be pretty special, whether you're the father or the son. But even more special if you turn. They might call that child abuse. 714, 192 beats 712 at 192. For Gil Kirk and the gang at the Rod Shop, that is national event win number 50, 5-0, a real milestone. And Greg Stanfield got it done.